everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. If you are a music lover or an artist looking to showcase your lyrics on Genius, you've come to the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to add a song to Genius so you can share your music with the world. Let's dive in. First things first, if you don't already have an account, you will need to create one. Head over to genius.com and click on sign up in the top right corner. You can sign up with your email, or you can use Google, Twitter or Facebook accounts. It's quick and easy. Once you've signed up, go ahead and log in with your credentials. After that, you can come over here, click on add a song, and this will take you to the part where you can now enter your song details. Alright, so you have to start with your artist name right here, and this one is for your song title, and then followed by the primary tag. So you have to select the primary tag, and then you have to scroll down and copy and paste your song lyrics, or you can just type it out. And then you have to scroll down to this part where you have to enter some additional metadata, and that involves the featuring. So whoever you're featuring on the song, enter the name right here. Same with the producer, and then the songwriter right here. And this one right here is for your SoundCloud URL. So you have to go to SoundCloud, copy the song URL, paste it right there, and you have to do the same for the YouTube URL. Go to YouTube, copy the song URL and paste it right here. And then this one is for your song or album release dates. Click on this and select the year, and then you have to select the month just like this, and then the day. After that, click on this add album to enter the album name right here, and then you can choose to add more tags if you want. So just click here and you find more tags you can add. You can scroll through the tags and select the relevant ones you want. For example, I can just select this one, and as you can see, it's added right here. Right, so next is to come over here and click on this submit button. So once you click on this submit button, on the next page you'll be able to add a cover art, and then once that is done, your song will be under review. So it will be reviewed by Genius. Once everything is perfect, then it will be released on Genius. All right, so people can now find your lyrics on Genius. So that's it. Hope this video was helpful and you now know how to do it. If yes, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more info tips like this.